This tree I've been thinking about getting rid of. So I scored a chainsaw off the net. See it here? Right now it's got the small blade on it. It came with a 2-inch larger one. I have tried it on a couple of twigs and it worked pretty good. It's compatible with Dewalt batteries. I got some nice big Dewalt batteries, so I thought I'd give it a try. It's pretty substantial. Strong, not flimsy, and the motor takes right off and runs. So I'm going to see how it digs into this tree. It takes it out. So that was all of 15 seconds.